Hope I got a lot of basketball fans here watching. In this video, we're going to be talking about March Madness, and I'm going to show you some of my moves on the basketball court. So I'm going to be having some socks on either side of me, rolling throughout the video of just some of our team socks we have up on our site. So if you see the socks of the team you support, then go check us out. And even if you don't, still go check us out, and we still might have the team that you like. Wearing these awesome, fun Sock City socks. The first thing I want to know is what team you are wanting to win and what team you are repping this NCAA championship. Comment down below. You already know what team I was repping? Carolina. I'm actually from North Carolina, so it only makes sense. And don't get on my case, guys. I know Carolina lost first round. Very sad. These Sock City Carolina Tar Heel socks. So cute, huh? They're the perfect fit for me. My family is ridiculously into sports, and like all my brothers and everybody was just doing all the brackets and everything. And I did a bracket too, but of course mine was trash. You know, that's okay. It's all for the fun of it. Okay, who saw the Gonzaga game on Saturday? Insane. Overtime, buzzer beater win. Who would have guessed it? Not me, of course. Y'all know my bracket was trash. I couldn't have guessed that. Just because the season's over doesn't mean you can't still rep your favorite team all year long. Go get your favorite team socks on Sock City right now. How many of you guys love basketball? Comment down below, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you for our next video. And if you haven't checked out my last vlog, check it out. My basketball needs work. I'm gonna